Hello, I'm Kelly and welcome to my channel. I am an avid and passionate paper crafter as well as successful entrepreneur of my own paper crafting, card making, and scrapbooking adventure. Designing and creating scrapbooking workshops, cards, and time-saving instruction guides are my primary focus, but I'm also passionate about sharing the love of paper crafting and memory keeping with others, and I've always had a natural desire to teach and share, particularly those things that foster creativity and relationships with others. My YouTube channel is a combination of all of those things I love, and you can expect scrapbooking and card making tutorials, weekly video shares with Cricut tips as they relate to paper crafting, workshop shares and inspiration to use in your own paper crafting, free design space files, and tips on tools and skills. I love all things paper and color, and I encourage others to fill up their cups with creativity. Helping others to use their hands, hearts, and minds to create and be the keepers of their memories for their families is something that has always been near and dear to my heart. I use only the highest quality of paper crafting supplies from a long-standing company with nearly 4 decades of longevity and experience. Their mission statement is to show you how to celebrate relationships through discovering your creativity to preserve and share the moments that matter most. My family and my friends fuel my creative energy because they are my motivation to preserve our memories for future generations to come. I want to tell the story, our story, my story, and have it live on long after I'm gone. My life is a simple life, and I love to teach with a sense of humor and with enthusiasm that comes naturally when you're doing something that you love. Paper crafting is truly my way of recharging. When life gets stressful, you can find me at the scrap table playing with paper and putting my words and pictures down on paper. We live on a rural cattle ranch in the middle of nowhere, and I love to scrapbook about our simple life. My hobbies include riding my motorcycle. I love to have a few moments in time that make me feel free with the wind in my hair. But most days, I'm a typical mother and grandmother, and my children and grandchildren are the loves of my life. I love the country. I love baking, making jelly and jams, and just enjoying the fresh air that the country life brings. Though I live in the middle of nowhere, technology and my love of paper crafting has given me connections and friendships all over the world. I hope to meet others on their creative journey and continue to inspire them to always continue creating, to be lifelong learners, and to trust and love their own creative journey along the way.